All right, we are back. I do not like putting this little microphone on my shirt. It just I don't feel like the volume is up. But next swimwear problem. Let me see where we left off at. Okay, here we are. Why do my straps always dig in my shoulders or fall down? This is definitely a common thing. I think we've all have gone through this, but what's the quality? What is the quality of this swimwear? I'm definitely gonna have to say, and also the sizing. I know a lot of us have gained weight, lost weight, and we just don't want to get rid of the swimwear because we're so in love with it. We love the color, we love the fit. Well, we used to love the fit if you have gained or lost weight, but that is also another possibility. I know a lot of clients that I've had in the past that they didn't realize, certain areas they kind of lost a lot of weight, or if you're losing or if you're gaining muscle mass up here, you're kind of adding in extra inches or half an inch, and you never notice that it's more that you need a longer strap. So I'm going to say it's those two problems that you need to take in consideration. There's just not a one size fit all. I don't know, but those are the two things that could come at the top of my head. But checking the quality of the bathing suit, of your swimming suit, is very important. It normally happens when it is a cheaper fabric, definitely.